guys, so we have something cool and crafty to show you today, and this is a snap fastener set, and it's got 10 colors and 50 sets of snap buttons, so I'm pretty excited about that. So we're going to take this off, and this is something I've been wanting for a while, and I have some plans for this. But I wanted to do a demo of this and a first impression. So I've got my Rainbow Honey Mystery Bag here, and we're going to put a snap on it. I figured, why not? I'll have this around. We'll use this. So the first step is to select where you're going to do it. Now normally you would mark your place, but I'm not going to mark it. You use this, which is called an AWL, I'm not sure. And you're going to make a hole through the fabric where you want your snap. There we go. Alright. I love that it's this cute little pink too. It's adorable. Step 2 is to insert the prong of snap cap into hole and place socket over prong. We're gonna do, let's do yellow. So we're gonna pick out the 2 pieces. I should say 3 pieces. Here, we're going to place these yellow ones back in their place. So, alright, I'm not really sure what a prong of a snap cap is. It has directions for everything except for the pieces themselves, which, if you've never done this like me, I feel like that would make this a bit difficult. And it does have some nice images, but the images are just too small to see. What we do is you take this piece and you put this facing the direction you want it to close. So like I want it to close inside, not outside. And then this piece, you just push that on there. And I'm going to take this plier thing, and you want the sharp point, that pokey point, going into the clear piece. And you want it sitting on the black piece. So I feel like I've got that. Yeah, I've got that on there pretty well. And now we just make sure yeah, there we go. And squeeze. Okay, so you see now that that poke point has been pushed out pretty nicely there. Pretty cool. And that's what makes this work. Alright, we're going to try to do this before my phone overheats here because it's that hot up here. This is the pointy end, just like before. I was wrong. This takes 4 pieces, 2 caps, and then the 2 snap pieces. So you're going to take this, and the side with the dots is the side that's going to go down. And then just like before, the black is going to go against the back, and the clear is going to go against the front. And we're going to push really hard, and now the pointy end is no longer pointy, it's round. And now you have a snap installed. Super easy to do. You can always buy more snaps and just keep reusing your set. So yeah, this is pretty nice to have around. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm gonna plan on making some collars and stuff with it. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, thumbs up this video if you like these kinds of videos, and I will see you next time. I'm out. Bye.
Right before it rains, I'm not afraid, I'm not